guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's been a long time since I made this kind of video in which I'm shooting a long video. I've only been shooting shorts for food and for food related content, but I have this tutorial that I think is going to be life changing for you all because it changed my life. That's why. So anyway, the thing is that I've had this neck pain around this area for a long time, and it gets worse in winter basically, because I have to wear a lot of layers and a lot of clothes, and it really weighs down on my shoulder. So randomly I started doing gua sha on my face, and part of that routine had a shoulder massage tutorial. So it was like that, and when I did that, I noticed that whenever I used to do that, I would feel better on my shoulders. Oh, what does that happen again? It just happens randomly. Anyway, so whenever I used to do that tutorial, I would notice my shoulder pain just vanishing away. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I asked a bunch of girls, including my mom and my friends and a lot of other girls, if they experienced that too, and all of them said yes. So I felt as a duty to share with you guys all this tutorial because I don't want anyone to have this pain, because I randomly just discovered this and it just made my shoulder pain go away. So for this tutorial you need a jade roller, which is optional. I just use it because I think it makes a difference, and a gua sha. And I don't know if a better expensive gua sha makes a difference, but this, and I had one ice roller thingy which it all costed 249 rupees. I'll link it down below. I got it from Amazon. And you need a massager oil. If you want to know which oil to use and all, just comment down below and I'll let you know. So let's get started. First thing you can do is put up your hair. Let me do that and come right back. So the tutorial is very simple. Okay, let's just start. First step, I put up my hair in a bun. Second step is you take the oil in your palms and you rub it, and you do this, rub my hands together and just apply it on this area. अच्छे से. Take more if you need it. Pretty simple. Now the first thing that they always recommend is that you do this here for some time. Do this also for some time. It's optional. I don't know if it's optional or not, but I just like to do it. And at this point you need the gua sha. I always start off with a jade roller because I think it gets the blood flowing. I just do this for a while, gets the blood circulation flowing. I mean, it's not recommended by doctors or anything, but I just think it helps. The final part, you're gonna take this area, this one, and you're gonna start off like this for 15 times on each side. Okay, second movement, you're gonna go like this, and after you do that for 15 times, you're gonna go like this and then move your head. Okay, you're gonna do it again, hold it, twist your head, and you're gonna do that for 5 times. Okay, and now it's time to do this part. So yeah, you're gonna repeat the same. After doing that, you can also use this leftover oil and do all the sculpting. I kid you not, guys, it helped me a lot. I already feel so light here. I mean, whenever I wear something like this, which has like a collar, like roll collar or a heavy collar, it pains a lot after a certain while. So I do this after a long day. I prefer to do it at night so I can sleep freely. You can do it at any time, and trust me, you need to do this because it's life changing. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And do let me know if this helped you guys. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.